Hi, good morning all. How are you? Today first class of SAP FICO. Let's start. SAP stands for System Application Products. The meaning is System Application Products. It is one of the ERP system, just like Tally. In this SAP, there is some submodules also there. What is that module? Let's see. One is functional modules, and other is a technical modules. Let's see functional modules. First to functional module, FICO. FICO stands for Financial Accounting and Controlling. FICO stands for Financial Accounting and Controlling. Next submodule. Next module is PP, Production Planning. Next module SAP Metal Management. Fourth one, ST, Sales and Distribution. Another functional module is WM, Warehouse Management. Next module QM, Quality Management. Next module is HR, Human Resources. Next module CRM, Customer Relationship Management. These all are functional modules. Next, technical modules. AB. Technical first module is AB, Advanced Business Application Programming. Next one, XI, Exchange Infrastructure. Next one is NetWeaver. Fourth one, Basis. Fifth one, BIW, Business Information Warehouse. These all are modules, SAP modules. Some is functional modules, some is technical modules. SAP FICO is an important module of ERP. Both FI and CO modules stores the complete financial data of an organization. What is done by SAP FICO? Complete financial data of an organization. It stores the complete financial data of the organization. SAP FI contains some submodules. Let's see what is that. SAP FI submodules. First one, General Ledger Accounting. Second one, Accounting Receivables. Accounts Receivables. Third one, Account Payables. Fourth one, Account Asset Accounting. Fifth one, Bank Accounting. Sixth one, Consolidation. Seventh one, Special Purpose Ledger. Eighth one, Travel Management. These all are submodules of FI, SAP FI. Also some SAP CO modules contain submodules. Let's see what is that. First one, cost element accounting. Second one, cost center accounting. Third one, profit center accounting. Fourth one, internal orders. Fifth one, products cost controlling. Sixth one is profitability analysis. In detail, I will tell in further classes. I will tell organization structure in the SAP FICO. Let's see organization structure in the SAP FICO. Every company will have some departments, manufacturing plants, and branches. Those are called organization units in the company. One of the organization units is linked with the other organization unit in some ways or other ways also. This relationship is called enterprise structure. The enterprise structure is different for every module. Remember this, the enterprise structure is different for every module. The enterprise structure for each module created by respect to functional consultants. There are different consultants for SD, PP, MM. Okay, let's see organization structure for FI. ARP group, they have two subsidiary companies, branches of each subsidiary companies. ARB group is called a company in SAP. The subsidiary companies is we called as company codes in SAP. The branches we called in SAP business areas. This is the structure of the organization in SAP FI. Remember all this. This is company is group, company code is a subsidiary companies, business areas is a branches, functional areas is a departments, manufacturing department, sales department is okay. Company code, business areas are called organization units in the financial accounting. Practical version I will tell in next class.